Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Excel. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's say we want to make a pivot table of this data. So, what we'll do is, let's say we want to pivot table in this sheet number 2. And in the first column, so we will just go to sheet 2 and go to insert button and click on the pivot table. Here you can see there is a table range, so we'll just create a pivot table by clicking on the sheet 1 and by selecting this whole table. And okay, here you can see the data is created for pivot table, and press this OK button, and here you can see some pivot table data is created here. So we will just, let's say we will just keep here the names and salary of this button or work units too, but let's say the values they have renamed this as row labels, sum of salary, sum of total units. You can change the names from here by giving it some another names, and here if you don't want any rows from here, then just remove it and the sum of work units is appeared. If you want to add, then click on it and remove from here too. It's just as easy as that. If you want to if you want to create or if you want to keep this row name here, then you can keep it here, and if you keep it here in the rows, you can keep it here too. So it's just as you wish. You can change it as you wish. So this is just as easy as that. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for today.